Hi. The idea of Flyweight is an innovative approach to fitness that focuses on low-impact exercises to build strength, endurance, and flexibility without the use of traditional cardio machines. Its 8 configurations replace different cardio machines and other pieces equipment. Flyweight pieces lock, unlock and rotate to give you full acceleration without the limitations of dumbbells, kettlebells, the medicine ball, and battle ropes. The configurable weight distribution of Flyweight and edge-to-edge grip allows you to accelerate out and away from your midline, actively brake, and then accelerate back on every rep instead of passively riding back the weight like on a kettlebell swing. Flyweight allows for two-way acceleration in a sustained explosive rhythm that spikes the heart rate, replacing the need for bulky and expensive cardio machines, and outperforming them. Flyweight is a hybrid of cardio and resistance training for major league conditioning. Like a baseball, golf, or tennis swing, boxing and sprinting, more force is generated through more acceleration, not by adding weight. Flyweight delivers up to 130 pounds of resistance. F1 replaces the row machine and gives you a more functional vertical row instead of a seated horizontal row. It's also configured for windshield wipers, a powerhouse full-body movement that hammers the core. F2 replaces the ski machine to give you a more powerful ski. Actively accelerate back to the top, overhead position. F3 is the next generation of medicine ball. Slam down and thrust back up for an ultra-metabolic slam. F4 is configured for rotational swings with a wider, more ergonomic two-handed grip. F5 is configured for powerful pushing and pulling movements with a neutral grip that allows for maximum handling and acceleration. F6 is configured for chopping and sledgehammer movements in different paths for full-body movements that light up your core. Scale up in difficulty to F7. F7 is configured for chopping and sledgehammer movements in different paths for full-body movements that light up your core. Scale down in difficulty to F6. F8 is configured for powerful swings and rotational movements. After 2 years of engineering, design and extensive field testing, Flyweight is now available to you. Let's make every day conditioning day.